Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Battlefield 2042. So here follow the steps to fix sound problem in Battlefield 2042. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, example speakers, and then select Properties. Now go to Spatial Sound tab. Click the drop down box and select off, then click on apply and then OK. If spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to enhancements tab, check mark loudness equalization and then click on apply and then OK. Now you can launch Battlefield 2042 and check sound problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Battlefield 2042 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Now if you are using Bluetooth headphones and you are facing the audio problem or sound problem, then right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, then select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings, right click on your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then hit apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Fourth solution is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fifth solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. And then you can check. So by this way you can fix the sound or audio issues in Battlefield 2042 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.